What's up, dude? What are you doing there?
I'm tightening on the bolt.
Tightening the bolt? What bolt?
This bolt, the impossible bolt.
The impossible bolt. Let me see. Let me see what you're doing. Oh, snaps. He's helping Dad put on the fan bolt. Oh, yeah. He already tightened all 4 of them bad boys. I put them on there. He tightened them. That's good, dude. Good job, man. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe, you guys. We got a lot of videos coming soon.
Even a slug build.
Oh, the slug bug build, you guys. He's excited for that one. We're gonna make we got a slug bug that's gonna turn into like a side-by-side build, long travel. So we'll see how that turns out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you guys can see the videos of my son and me in the builds.
Oh, sure.
There you go. Pull up, pull up. Oh yeah, just like that, dude. Good job, dude. Take it back down. Yeah. Can your guys' 7-year-old do this? Comment down below if he can or she can. Because my son sure can. He doesn't give up, you guys. Start them young. Anything you want to say, son?
Make sure to comment down below. Ah, my back.
Up his back. Up his back. You got a crab. Working on the V8. All right, you guys.
Peace.